Hi guys, welcome to the video. This video is for the people who want to learn programming. So, for learning programming, there are many languages available like Java, C, Python, C++, and so on. So, now why am I choosing C language? Because C is preferred by many programmers than the other languages because it teaches you the basic principles of programming, that is the basic programming skills, and it is a very popular language for beginners because it teaches you how the program is written, how it executes, what is the flow of program, how the instructions are executed, and yeah, so it is really a good language for learning basic programming skills. Now, since this is a intro video, let's start with the introduction of C. C programming language was developed at AT&T, AT and T Bell Labs in USA. Now, before this language, there were some old languages also, like Fortran, PL, or other languages such as Pascal, but C was the most preferred language of that time. Now, why C is so popular? Is it because it's simple and easy to use? Moreover, in the industries, there are many operating systems that have some parts designed in C, like Windows, Android have some parts designed in C. Now, languages such as C++, C hash, or Java will make use of principle called object-oriented programming. This principle has lot of advantages, but why we learn C is it provides a good hold over the basic language elements. So, as I said, it is a very good language to learn basic programming skills, as when you learn programming in C, you learn the basic operators, what are literals, what is the use of literals, functions, and then you can learn advanced features as such, uh, recursion, arrays, and all this. When you move to further advanced languages, this will help you to build a foundation of programming. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, now how to learn C? So there are many resources available over internet and YouTube for learning C. So, but out of all of them, the one which I prefer most is the book Let Us See by Yashwant Kanetkar. This book is like the best book I have found in C. It covers everything that you need as a learning beginner programmer, but then for advanced concepts, and you can refer other resources also, but Let Us See is very good when you are a beginner and want to start with C. Now, before diving into the language, firstly, I would like to discuss what is a program. Now, I have been saying again and again that we are here to learn the basic programming skills. But then, what is a program? So, a very simple definition which you would have learned or read many times, that program is a set of instructions that are executed in sequence in order to perform some action or to complete some task. Now, how are these instructions written? We would start with a very simple program. A program can also be you can, for example, consider a program as a program to make a tea. So let us consider an example of a program to make tea. As I said, program is nothing but a set of instructions. So for making tea, we will be writing some set of instructions. So the first instructions will be take some container, fill water in it. Okay, then the second instruction will be turn on the gas. Third instruction will be add tea leaves, sugar. Fourth is let it boil. Then fifth is add milk. Okay, we are making milk tea here. Oh, sorry. Okay, then add milk. Then sixth is let it boil. And seventh is turn off the gas. Now obviously eighth is just pour the tea into your cup. So this is the set of instructions for making tea. Now, in which language have I written the set of instructions? Obviously, I have written in my bad English handwriting, but never mind the handwriting. These instructions I have written in English language. Now, similarly, for writing a program, we need some language. Now, why can't we write in simple English language only? Because we humans are smart, but the computer is not smart enough yet. So, it needs some machine level language to understand. That is, we need to write something that in a language that the computer understands for it to perform the task. Now, the machine level language will obviously in zeros and ones. Now the machine level language will be 0, 1, 0, 1, full of zeros and 1, which we don't understand. So what the programmers did was they found something in between the high level language and the machine level language. Now what is high level language? The language which as humans speak, which is English. Now in between the high level and machine level language, they have written some languages which can be understood by us and converted into the machine level language by the compiler and the other softwares. So one such language is C language. So this is what programming languages are used for. It is used for programming the code in such a way that it can be converted into machine level languages such that machine can understand that and perform the desired task.